And give him your warmest round of applause and standing ovation, if you may, the man of the hour, Coach Chon Reyes.
Hi, Coach. Hello. Good afternoon. Kumusta kayo lahat dyan? Good afternoon. Yes.
Coach Chon, welcome first and foremost to the Daily Fantasy family. First question, Coach Chon, how does it feel to be here after all the busy days after the championship? Alam ko, alas wala ka pang pahinga. But how does it feel to be here today?
Well, honestly, I'm very honored. Was looking forward to this because I'm really proud to be part of the Daily Fantasy family. I really believe in that. Hawak ko ang laro mo. And I know that there are a lot of aspiring coaches, mga kababayan natin out there. So I'm really very proud to be part of this campaign.
Right, and it's not just a matter after makuha siya ni Coach Chon Reyes.
Of course, the most fundamental requirement is talent. You have to have the requisite talent. But especially in our league sa PBA, the level of talent is, the difference is very small. So what we're really looking for are team players. Players who understand what it takes to play as a team. And secondly, I look for players who are fit, who are ready to, who have the ability to play with a lot of stamina and endurance. And they fit our style of play and they fit each other as well. So, over and above talent, yun ang hinahanap ko talaga. Are you a team player and can you fit with our style of play?
Sa mga players natin,
you have to have a strong why. What is your why? Why do you want to coach? I think that's number one. Number two, obviously, you have to learn the game. You've got to be a student of the game. Up to today, I still continue to learn and try to develop myself as a coach in the X's and O's department. But I think the most important thing is you have to have leadership skills. You have to understand what it takes to be a leader, and part of that is understanding how to build great teams, because in the end, success in basketball lies in the ability to build great teams. It is great teams that win, not individual players.
And there you go, it's
definitely something to augment the viewing experience, because there's on one hand, when you watch the game, you have the team that you're cheering for. But now, you add an extra layer of, oh, I have some players, I have some stake here in the game. And it's just really to add on to the enjoyment. And sometimes, we are all looking for that, right? A little bit more excitement in our life. So I think the ability to come in and build your own teams definitely adds that to the viewing experience.
And I couldn't agree more.
Panoorin mo rin, gusto rin malaman ano nangyayari sa ibang teams.
Right.
Because may player ka doon.
Tututukan mo siya.
Yes.
So all throughout, mas magiging avid fan ka pa ng basketball. Well, Coach Chon, thank you so much for answering our questions. So your work has truly been an inspiration to all of us. I'm sure joining us. Let's give a hand to Coach Chon Reyes and the Daily Fantasy team for introducing him to the Daily Fantasy family. It just got bigger and better with Coach Chon in the mix. Ang ganda ng customized